Hello, my name is Caleb Mead, and this is my new Chinese excavator. It's an AGT H15R with the Rado gas engine. I bought it off eBay for about $5,500, and it shipped from Illinois to Alabama in about 4 days. I plan on using this excavator for my construction business, and I also plan on renting it out on the side. I think it'll be perfect for getting into the tight spaces and especially doing new plumbing in a slab and digging out the drain lines and filling those back in. Uh, Enjoy the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. And thanks for watching.
Unless you think we can. Well, let's cut it open and see what kind of fluids it's got in it.
I don't figure. I ain't even got my knife with me. I'm here with a. I don't even have a habit. Don't look like it's wrapped.
No.
Does it have any gas in it?
I don't know. I don't know if it has anything in it.
I thought you had to order a pump. This is hydraulic.
Yeah, this is a manual pump.
Okay, you ordered the
I
hydraulic.
ordered hydraulic.
This bucket may be too big for it.
It might be. Just cut everything off and see if we can get her to crank.
I like it.
Watch yourself. It digs pretty good when that thumb's not in the way.
Oh yeah, thumb pulled up. You should be fine.
What?
Beats a shovel.
Yeah, it beats the shovel for sure.
All right, that's it for this video. Now I'm going to load it up and take it to the shop. There I'm going to go over the machine from top to bottom and just make sure all the bolts are tightened and everything's in place. I'm also going to swap out the fluids. I'm going to drain the hydraulic fluid and replace it with some new stuff. And I'm going to change out the grease fittings and grease the boom and everything. And I'll also install the hydraulic thumb. All this I'll detail in the next video. Just stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any input or questions, just leave a comment in the section below. Also, like, subscribe, and follow for more content. I plan on doing a few of these videos and some more in the future, so just stay tuned.